So, good morning class. My name is teacher Ivan C. Ibalia, your teacher in English 2. So now, before we proceed to our lesson, may I know who are absent for today? Okay, very good. No one is absent. It seems that you are very excited in our lesson for today. May I ask someone who can recall about our topic last meeting? Anyone? Okay, very good. Our topic last meeting is all about personal pronouns. So now, before we proceed to our new lesson, I have prepared here a poem entitled Neighborhood Noise. So please listen carefully as we read aloud this poem. So, the neighborhood noise. This dog and this cat live in my house. They like it here. But that dog and that cat live with my friend Mike. They like it over there. These rabbits and these birds live in my yard. They like it over here. But those rabbits and those birds live in that yard. They like it over there. But this dog and that dog, this cat and that cat, this rabbit and those rabbits, this bird and those birds, all make lots of noise. Perhaps you've heard. Now class, what did you observe in the poem? Anyone? Okay, very good. In the poem, there are this, that, this, and those. Our lesson for today is all about demonstrative pronouns. So what do you mean by demonstrative pronouns? So demonstrative pronouns is used for pointing out something or some people we're talking about. Just like for example, this, that, these, and those. So this and that are singular form, which means we will use them if we are pointing out one person or one object. On the other hand, these and those are plural form, which means we will use them if we are pointing out more than two or more person or object. So in singular form, this is used to point to a person, an object, or place near you or near the speaker. Just like for example, this is a pen. I am holding it and it is singular and it is near from me or near the speaker. Understand? And second is that. That is used to point to a person, an object, or place far from the speaker. Just like for example, that is a bag. It is singular and it is far from me or far from the speaker. Okay, understand? So, in plural form, this is used to point to a person, an object, or places. So, next is plural form. This is used to point to a person, an object, or place near the speaker. Just like for example, this are ball pens. It is plural and it is near from the speaker. Understand? And last is those. Those is used to point to a person, an object, or place far from the speaker. Just like for example, those are notebooks. It is plural and it is far from the speaker. So, understand class? Again, what is demonstrative pronouns? Okay, very good. Demonstrative pronouns is used for pointing out something or some people we are talking about. So, what is the first demonstrative pronouns? Okay, that's good. The first demonstrative pronouns is this. So, when do we use this? Okay, very good. So we will use this if it is singular and it is near from the speaker. So how about that? Okay, excellent. So we will use that if it is singular and it is far from the speaker. So how about this? Okay, very good. So we will use this if it is plural and it is near from the speaker. So the last one, what is the last demonstrative pronouns? Okay, very good. So those. So we will use those if it is plural and it is far from the speaker. So now that you really understand what is demonstrative pronoun, in your activity, I will divide the class into two groups. So this side will be group 1 and this side will be group 2. So I have here a flashcards containing 4 demonstrative pronouns. So this is for group 1 and this is for group 2. So what you're going to do is to have one representative in each group who raise the flashcard if this is the answer to my question. So, are we clear, class? Okay, so now let's start our activity. So, first is blank is my dog. So, what demonstrative pronouns will be used in this statement? So, okay, group 1. Okay, very good. So, we will use this because it is singular and it is near from the speaker. So, this is my dog. So, next is blank were tasty cookies. So, okay, group 2. That's right. So, we will use those because it is plural and it is far from the speaker. So, those were tasty cookies. Next is blank is a big tree. So, okay, group 2. So, okay, very good. So, we will use that because it is singular and it is far from the speaker. So, that is a big tree. Next is blank are my books. Okay, group 1. Excellent. So, we will use this because it is plural and it is near from the speaker. So, these are my books. Thank you for your participation. Now that you are finished doing your group activity, in your next activity, you have to complete the sentence with the correct demonstrative pronouns. So, you will answer it on your own paper. So, I will give you only 5 minutes to answer your activity. So now that you're finished answering your activity, again, what is our topic? That's good. Our topic is about demonstrative pronouns. So what are the 4 demonstrative pronouns? Okay, very good. So this, that, this, and those. Now in your assignment, study in advance about preposition. Again, this has been Teacher Ivan C. Ibalia, your teacher in English 2. So, bye-bye!